Hello, my name is Mrs. McMurray, and I will be the reading teacher at Rockport Elementary for the summer of 2021. I just wanted to reach out to parents and let you know that if your child was receiving reading support during the regular school year, Title I, or just reading support, I will be working with them while they're at Rockport Elementary for the month of June. I have been given a list of students that were already in reading classes, and so on Thursday and Friday when we first start school, I will go around and try to find where everybody is and what classrooms they're in, and then Monday I plan on starting to pull kids to do some reading work. So it'll be 30 minutes or less. I don't want to pull anybody out of any fun activities or any important instructional activities in the regular classroom, but just pull kids out to do some reading work to support what they've done already during the school year. And many of the homeroom reading or home school reading teachers have given me strengths and weaknesses of each of your children. So hopefully I'll be able to build on that during the summer. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. Email me at it's mcmurrayk@foxc6.org, or you can call or send a note or something with the teacher, and I'm sure they would get that to me. So welcome to summer school, and I look forward to working on reading with your child.